first of all, we had a very great meeting with His Excellency Shanama Gosmov, the Prime Minister of Timor-Leste. We understand that these days are very crowded and very busy days, but we had the opportunity to meet with His Excellency. We thank him for that. At the inception, I have conveyed, the greetings of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates, His Excellency, as well as the greetings of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President of the United Arab Emirates, and Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Vice President of the United Arab Emirates. We've discussed many areas of collaboration of interest to both sides. One of which also we've conveyed, congratulations to Timor-Leste 20th of May, that will celebrate the independence of the country. We've discussed one main project that we are visiting this time to celebrate what we call the groundbreaking of the project of the female students accommodation. It will take place on the 20th of May. We've discussed also, one very important engagement with Timorese diplomats, that they will engage with Anwar Gargash, Academy, diplomatic academy that is in the United Arab Emirates. And we hope that it will be done somewhere during the fourth quarter of this year. We also discussed different areas of collaboration in Timor-Leste here, but we have emphasized on the importance of signing two main treaties and two main agreements. One is the double taxation treaty, and the other one is the investment protection agreement as well. We want the support of Mr. President and Mr. Prime Minister to speed up the process of finalizing these two agreements, in order for us as UAE and UAE investors to come and look for those areas of collaboration within Timor-Leste. The relationship between Timor-Leste and the United Arab Emirates has been always great. We also conveyed our appreciation to Timor government for being very supportive, and the extension of the solidarity to UAE during this difficult time, the aggression of Iran to our country and to the GCC region. We are always happy and positive when it comes to the relationship between United Arab Emirates and Timor-Leste. We hope that things will be always positive, and we always look for areas of collaboration and areas of solidarity. Thank you very much.
Thank you.